Hello, big boy.
Got to lean that one. Hello.
A chainsaw is an engine with a chain, right?
Recording started.
I should have had that on video. Our connection was lost. Dickhead. Do you want me to go first or do you want to go first? We're going to turn left and just follow it straight.
Okay.
I thought I had a problem with my brakes on this bike. This is how uneducated I am. I have something called floating disc, and what that means is that they move around.
Brake discs move.
It's when they get hot and expand, so they don't walk.
Oh my god, a 20. Hello.
Yeah. I don't remember this.
It comes to like a junction, I think. There will be a row straight ahead of us, so it's like a little left and a right.
Yeah, okay, cool, yeah, I remember that one. It's
Petersfield
still the way
Limited.
to Loomis, basically.
Yeah.
Michal was saying that he had some... you saw his recent video, right?
Yeah.
Almost 10 million views. What the fuck?
That clip is mad.
Like, the fact that he didn't turn around, and the shit that the guy said was just so perfect, like, for a viral video.
And it was one of those where it's like, said so little, but meant so much.
Yeah, like, everyone understood immediately. But he's got another one where some homeless guy come up to him, and be like, oh yeah, like, back in the day, I had a husk cover on as well. I mean, I was like, I didn't know what one, because it must have been so long ago. He was like, I don't know that model. I went, oh, it's probably still a chainsaw back then. It's crazy that they went from chainsaws to motorbikes. But I guess a chainsaw is an engine with a chain, right?
Yeah, but you're riding what was a piano company.
True.
Do you guys know what the chainsaws were invented for?
The zombies.
Scared to ask.
Childbirth.
Huh?
Yep.
How?
That's what they were invented for. To cut
doesn't
women
say-
open.
With chainsaws?
Okay, you're gonna have to show me some proof for that one, because that one is wild.
There's a lot of wild things in this world.
It's a good thing that, Alex, you mentioned about the bike safe course, and you obviously keep switching from left to right, and I realise I'm literally doing the opposite.
Oh, we've got a group with us in front.
Yeah,
Friends.
they're going Loomis for sure. I'll just follow them for now.
Oh, so everyone out today. Love it.
Sunday, of course.
Are you good? You good?
The whole group. He's
Oh,
getting
wow.
Oh.
Fucking
Stop the
hell. Wow.
You guys with me? Yeah.
Yeah, we're here.
Us?
Turning right?
Yes, correct.
I can read signs. Whoa, something on the road there.
Yeah, that was a Ferrari, no?
Another thing from my course that I've asked the guy, because I was like, the cornering is a little bit of an issue for me. I get a little bit self-conscious, let's say. He was like, so imagine in your hands, you're holding two little ducklings. Yeah, two little ducklings. And I looked at him and I was like, what?
Huh?
I was like, what do you mean? And he goes,
Huh?
so the ducklings are your handlebars. When you get stressed, unsure, the main thing you need to do is make sure that you're not
Grabbing the
squeezing the
handlebars.
handlebars. Yes. So the handlebars, your hands need to be nice and loose, and everything happens with your legs and your core. So essentially what he told me, you just need to trust yourself more. I was like, okay, thanks for that. I was hoping for some, YouTube videos, or like a book maybe, or like some exercises that he could give me. No. Just think about the ducks in your hands. And I was like, that stresses me even more now.
Everyone likes ducks.
With the bike, like, you have to know that, like, the bike will do most things almost on its own. If you put it in a certain position, like, you lean it, it will stay leaning in that position until you tell it otherwise, It's kind of like if you just let go of the bars, it will keep going straight. The bike is not going to do anything unpredictable through the corner, unless you hit something, or someone.
Then it might change direction, yes.
Oh, this freaked me out now.
You controlled it pretty well, to be fair.
But you saw I slowed down very much.
Yeah, I saw.
Yeah.
I saw Kuba speeding up and you slowing down.
Yeah. See, it's all a learning curve.
Oh, speedy boy. Fucking hell. I'm gonna sneeze. I'm gonna apologize in advance.
Bless you.
Thank you. Ah, fuck.
You again.
That was just before the bend. That was really scary.
But
my
this
God.
bend was much better now.
It's not on the downhill.
Yeah, I guess that's true.
Yeah, that changes a lot actually.
I love that I've gone full circle. Z650, Z900.
You should have kept your first bike
Yeah,
for the whole time.
though I do, when I get it, I do have to pretty much straight away take it for a valve clearance.
Yes, I'm not long to go.
Yeah, it's almost here now. I'm excited for that bike because he's still got original levers. He's got Black Widow, but not the same as what I had. Original indicators, so it shouldn't go wrong. He's got a good tail tidy on it, so the number plate shouldn't fall off.
Oh, nice. Okay.
This is sick. I've been here before. I went to Whiteways coming this way once.
Is that weird little town?
Yeah.
Oh, this is that one-way village.
Yeah.
Yes.
Where we stopped in the middle once.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was going to rear end you as payback and then realised we're on
Nice.
an uphill, so I was like, probably shouldn't.
Yeah, please don't.
So I'll give you extra support in case you want a hill start.
Oh, this is fucking painful, this.
It's practice. You said you wanted to get more comfortable with the clutch.
Yep.
Yeah.
I spoke too soon.
This is exactly why my clutch is so short. Sweet.
You know what's weird about my bike? When I let the clutch out, it revs up on its own. I think it's like a stall prevention sort of thing. Right, I managed to find a way yesterday when I stalled it. Oh, come, let's go around, fuck it.
Wicked.
That's a nice car as well.
Darcy the Dirty Diesel.
What?
That's the sticker on the back of that Fiesta.
Well, you were talking about the one in front of us, and I was like, what?
You don't look it.
Well, that's a V12 Jag, judging by the plate.
V12 FEM.
I mean, the car's got to be as old as them.
Yeah, those Jags are not very reliable from what I know. Beautiful, but
Yeah.
Oh, look, but they're having the time of their life. Look at them. Chilling, open roof.
they just had an argument.
Yeah, looks like a proper marriage.
Tells me to follow the road to the right and then do a left.
Yeah. Unless you want to take a shortcut through there.
Yeah, not that left. Oh, it's literally the way it goes. Careful that.
Kevin Wood.
Left, yeah?
Yes, correct.
And then are we going straight or are we doing the right?
It tells me there will be the right turn.
At the lights, yeah?
Roundabout, yeah.
Guys, I don't want to sound big-headed, but I just saw a reflection of myself.
I look
When you
fucking
jack
sick.
it.
Did you get hard?
I got, yeah, a little bit.
Do you have a crush on yourself now?
I'll be honest with you. If I had an MT-09, I'd had a crush on myself.
A crush as well.
I mean, you can. I had a crash on the MT-09.
Yeah, that too, I suppose.
Right, fucking national speed. Let's go.
We're going straight for the next 5.7 miles.
Lovely. Yeah, I'm gonna have to stop for petrol when I see a petrol station.
Sounds good. Just pull in and we'll follow you or go past. Depends on what Alex is doing. If she bombs it past, I'll just follow her. But if
I
we
think
can
I'm gonna fuel up as well. I'm on half a tank. Like this
48.
corner.
That's
Much
nice.
better.
I love this corner.
Much better.
Very nice.
Very good, very nice.
Very good, very nice. Very good, very nice.
Hello, sexy banana. Very good, very nice.
Hello, sexy banana. I forgot about this guy.
That video is so old, oh my god.
Yeah, I forgot about it completely. Pop culture for you.
Jeez.
Oh, wow.
I was about to say, look at the view, and I saw you go over that bump, and I was like,
Did you see that? My wheel almost spun out.
2,000
They got
miles
the-
exactly.
Woo!
2,000.
Way!
For that, you got welcome with national. I can't speak. What the fuck?
Are you okay?
No.
Do you need another coffee?
Yes.
I need something like between a Red Bull and a line of Coke.
Some battery acid is what you need.
Oh, I'll just take my vapor pot and put that in my mouth.
You don't need the vapor, you just need the liquid. Just down it.
I'm gonna demonstrate the other thing that the officer told me to do. If I can see far enough.
I don't know what you're doing.
She's just chilling in the other lane.
He told me as long as you can get back safely, absolutely feel free to use.
Oh, careful. I'm glad the van in front of me missed it, because I would have got the splatter from that.
I'm glad we weren't following it too close for it to not be able to see it and go over it.
Alex sensed it coming, she got onto the wrong side of the road, just to make sure.
She saw it far ahead.
I saw it though.
So, earlier on when you guys were telling the range that you've got, I checked mine, I was on 48 miles range. I am now on 60.
Ah,
I am
Is that-
refueling as I'm going.
This is why I like this area. It's a nice view.
Very nice.
Last time I came here, this road was full of cars because there was like a group of cyclists at the front. Oh, it was horrific trying to overtake. All the cars to overtake them.
I bet. And it's so tight, you've got the double wide as well. Nothing you can do.
Hidden dip. I hope it's barbecue.
You're gonna be going to go straight past Luby's by any chance?
I'll be honest with you, I've got no idea. Oh no. I hope they didn't nod back at someone and now they've broken down.
Oh, what the fuck? Circus in town.
Oh god. Let's go and do the ball. The fucking cage of a ball.
On the bike.
Yeah. Let's do it. Come in with an entry of a fucking ramp.
It's insane. Like, I felt the whole time like the ball is... They're gonna start rolling with the bikes inside it.
They open up the ball in two halves whilst they're still riding inside. And it just comes apart and then goes back together. Yeah. I was just as speechless. What a lean that was. Hello. What a lean that was. There will be a roundabout where we go.
Zach, I don't know if it's my... Alex, can you hear Zach all the time when he's talking?
Sometimes it's cutting off.
Because for me, every time he speaks, it cuts out. Like,
Not every time.
Not the whole sentence, but I keep missing. I know we're going straight over there. Oh, BP, fuck it.
Ah, sweet.
Watch out for that reversing individual.
Oh, that's not in use. Fuck's sake.
Let me have a look at the other side before you go there. Yeah, no petrol.
Right, I can check my batteries in the meantime. GoPro, what are you on?
5%. Perfect timing.